So we're going to start out. This is just a day in the life at how we normally set up our campsite. First of all, we got our Moride steps. They go down and they hit on the ground. In this case, we had to raise up a trailer up a little bit, so we had to put some blocks underneath it. And we had a step stool. We had to improvise for the dog. I have since ordered have more appropriate step stool ordered that we'll use in the future. Here we got one of the little tables, my cooking table with my Blackstone. There's my cooking tote for outdoor cooking. Here's this 4-foot work platform that I use. I use this all the time. I use it at home. It's just as I do camping. You can see here we got the Blackstone hooked up to the propane from the RV. Here we got our outdoor carpet, my chair and Carrie's chair, another little table. Here's this picnic table cover I was telling you about, and I'll put a link in, but it's got these elastic, so it helps hold it in place. Game changer right there. We usually put our cooler out here. Here's a foam knee pad protector that I use. I use it all the time, camping and at home. When you get to be 67 years old, you need all the help you can get. And this is the way we set up our hitch. Got the blocks of wood from home. Here's what we level it with. Each one of these 1 inch, 2 inches tells us how much we need to raise it. And here's front to back, side to side. See the stabilizer jacks, water line, slide out, safe. There's my pressure regulator and my water filter, hot water heater, pedestal, 30 amp, ladder, don't like climbing up there, bikes, electric bikes. I do pull the batteries out of them and the seats out of them to lighten them up a little bit. I put on these brackets to help support it. Got a video on those. Trash can. It's been raining the last few days, or rained last night, so you can see all the mud. You can see down here, we had to raise the coach up a couple inches. There's the X-Chocks. And then our latest, greatest new item. Oh, these collapsible, those are slick. Lightweight, don't take up much space. Then we got our Starlink Mini. Not too happy with the tripod I bought from Amazon. So I'm not going to recommend it, but definitely get a tripod. Just get a better one than I got. It won't tighten up for some reason. So you can see the cones, and then there's our truck. I'm gonna have to do a whole video on why we bought this truck, and its pros and cons. Been a good truck though. It's diesel. We're out here at Pomona State Park in Kansas. There's a marina, and on Saturday nights, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'll zoom it in. There's a stage and the band plays way down there. Maybe I'll get a little bit closer and get a better picture of it. So anyway, this is the way we camp. There you go. So anyway, This is it.